Royal Enfield Continental GT650 is a cafe racer bike available in 3 variants and 5 colors. Standard variant of the motorcycle gets the rocker red paint and British racing green. The custom dual-tone version Dux Deluxe and Ventura Stone. The chrome model is available in an updated version of the Mr. Clean. Royal Enfield Continental GT650 gets bs6 compliant 648cc, fuel-injected, parallel twin engine that produce 47 HP of maximum power at 7,150 rpm and 52 Nm of peak torque at 5,250 rpm. The oil-cooled engine comes mated to a 6-speed manual transmission. This bike gets the brand's best engine, which is now more refined. Royal Enfield Continental GT650 mileage is rated at 20 to 25 km per litre and top speed is around 165 to 170 km per hour approximate. Continental GT650. The instrument cluster is a twin-pod unit, an analog tachometer and speedometer accompanied by a small display for the trip meter, fuel gauge and odometer. It also has a low fuel and low oil indicator. The instrument cluster of the bike looks quite classic. The suspension of the bike is 41 mm telescopic forks suspension at the front and twin coilover shocks suspension at the rear. The rear shocks are also good enough to provide decent stability at higher speeds. The stopping power comes from a 320 mm disc at the front and a 240 mm disc at the rear. It is mated to dual-channel ABS as standard. Continental GT650 gets a 100/90/18 MC56H section tire at the front and a 130/70/18 MC63H section tire at the back. It rides on 18-inch spoke wheel tires and they are not tubeless. Continental GT650 measures 2,122 mm in length, 789 mm in width, and 1,165 mm in height. It has a ground clearance of 174 mm and wheelbase of the motorcycle is 1,400 mm. The clip-on handlebar on Continental GT650 makes it look attractive and provides a comfortable riding. The hand-polished aluminum engine cover gives the bike a rich and premium feel. The bike misses out on LED for both the headlamp and the tail lamp. This bike a simple round headlamp. The Continental GT650 bike weighs 198 kg and has a fuel tank capacity of 12.5 liters. This Continental GT650 is the sportier of the two models based on the 650cc twin-cylinder platform from Royal Enfield. The cafe racer format and eschews the pillion seat for a better experience for the focused rider. Royal Enfield Continental GT650 is built around a tubular steel double cradle chassis.